All right, here's some big news coming in on Professor of BU University who was arrested for alleged defamatory posts that he put out on the Shivling at Gyanvapi Mosque. The Professor Ratan Lal has now been produced at the Tis Hazari Court. BU Professor was held over a post that he made on the Shivling that was claimed to have been found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque. Now, the post that he put out on social media, over that the police in Uttar Pradesh arrested him for trying to incite violence and create communal unrest. Here is the professor of the BU University who's now been produced at the Tis Hazari Court. Remember, you had students protesting against Ratan Lal's arrest, calling this arbitrary, saying that this was, he has the right to express his views. Why was he arrested? There were protests and now he has been produced at the Tis Hazari Court. Shreya joining us for more on that. Shreya, give us an insight into what is the legal process now for Professor Ratan Lal. Tell us his crime and also tell us under what sections has he been booked.
Well, Nabila, he's been booked under IPC sections 153 and 295. So that's basically promoting enmity on the grounds of religion. We do know that he's already been produced in the Tis Hazari Court. We also know that the Delhi police is seeking for judicial custody. On the other hand, the advocate of Ratan Lal will be seeking for a bail. The arguments that the Delhi police will be raising is that the effect of the posts on social media that has on our society during these days. So that's the argument that Delhi police will put forward as they seek the judicial custody of Ratan Lal. But as I mentioned earlier, it's under section 153 and 295 that he's been booked by the Delhi police's cyber crime department of the Maurice Nagar police station.
Right. Thank you very much, Shreya, for joining us on that. Of course, we know that there are protests that have erupted by students at the BU University who've been demanding the immediate release of this professor, saying that his arrest was unfair.